This is not your ordinary boring salad. This baked beetroot and kidney bean salad is a complete meal packed with nutrients that will actually keep you satisfied. Let's prep the veg. And here's a tip: roast them, don't boil. This way, your veg will keep all the nutrients and bring out their natural flavors. Just wrap them in foil and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, up to an hour, depending on the size. Check they are cooked by piercing with a knife or fork. Let cool down completely. Meanwhile, chop and saute 1 onion until golden and set aside to cool. To a large bowl, add 2 cans of drained and rinsed red kidney beans. Now we are going to chop some dill pickles that will balance the sweetness of beetroot and add some crunch and zestiness. Next, we peel and chop our roasted carrots, beetroot and potatoes. Fun fact: cooked and cooled potatoes develop resistant starch, which is great for your gut health. Now we add all the chopped veggies and onion to our bowl. Don't forget the aromatic herbs, like parsley and finely chopped dill. Some salt, pepper, good olive oil. Mix well. Look at those colors. And here it is, salad that is perfect for lunch or light dinner, meal prep friendly and super delicious.